Adam here with Protection Design Concepts. Just got out of the cold plunge after baseball practice tonight, so apologize if the voice is shaky a little bit. This is a little bit of a different unboxing tonight, right? So it's not going to be a loadout lab or a gear guide. Just going to talk about branding, logos, advertising. I use Vistaprint. If there's another company out there that y'all think better, so let me know. But right now I use Vistaprint, and I try to take advantage of many of their discount codes as I can. So let's see what we got. All right, so get some of this unwrapping done. There's some of those discount codes that they give. I got some pens. As you all know, with every order, you get a pen. I got another style coming as well, but I got 100 pens just so I can, again, make the customers feel special. They have Protection Design Concepts. They got the website, and they got one of the logos, right? So good for branding. So I got a bunch of those. I don't know why they pack them in random bags of 3 or whatnot, but then what do we got here? I needed some custom codes for an upcoming leadership class that one of my buddies is going through. He's going to help me market, so he's going to be doing that. So I got that. I'm not going to show that because it's got a code on there, and I don't want to let everybody know what class that is. But it's basically got my logo, got a discount code, and it basically says that we're available for agency purchases. Here's a new sticker design. Trusted brands, reliable performance, competitive prices, Protection Design Concepts, gear that works when it matters most, right? So kind of outside the bleed area for the sticker. So I think on the next production run, I'll take a look at it, but I think it's good to go. Again, this is something that I can either put on, the pouches, or I can put on a package, right? So again, playing around with it a little bit. So again, we'll work through it. All right, let's see what we got here. I got some more of the stickers. I use all of these for my individual packaging. So whether it's a core, S-Tac, Flatline Fiber, High Speed Gear, 09, North American Rescue, whatever it is, I put that, my own little branding on it. So that's what that is. I love those sheet stickers. Just very easy to kind of plug and play. And then the last box that I think I got in this Vistaprint package is okay. Similar concept. This is my logo that we were using that Andrew, my marketing consultant, told me to get. Protection Design Concepts. You got the little battle belt in the background with the operator. So this is really cool. So again, I think I'll use this to market either the boxes or thank you cards or the packaging, but pretty cool. So again, you're going to spend money to make money, right? I think it's important to, especially when you're distributing other people's products, to have your branding on it, because again, we're selling those products in a combination because we want to know what the context of your mission is. That's where we are the differentiator, right? So we're separating ourselves in that, but I'm not absent to the fact that I want to have their logos very present as well, because I love Core Essentials, I love Flatline Fiber, I love North American Rescue, I love S-Tac, I love High Speed Gear, I love 09, I love Safariland, Vertex, all those other companies that we're representing right now, and we're continuing to grow the stuff that we've tested, that's proven, that we know when you spend your good money on it and you order through our website, that you're going to be happy with what you got. So our mantra is to provide the gear and equipment for your mission. So I think we've done that tonight, showing you what we're doing with our stickers. If there's a better way, a better company, and you know something, please pass the knowledge. I'm a small business trying to make it out here, so I really, really appreciate it. So again, this is Adam with Protection Design Concepts, and this mission is complete.